Taste it.
Nan, Babo Kabalen, welcome to Meron, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, another food trip naman ito. So, ang kakainin lang natin is upgraded fried chicken Kanto style.
So guys, who would have thought that dito sa second floor na to may kainan. Guys, I wanna show you more about the place, the food that we ate. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Sa taas po kami. Hello.
Hello sir, good afternoon.
Nakapalo ko sir.
Thank you. Thank you po. Door. Hello po, good morning, good afternoon. Ooh,
Sir Louie!
so pretty talaga. Thank you. Congrats. Alright, so ito yung tinatawag nilang mess hall dito sa second floor ng Shell Select San Agustin. So dito guys, nandito si SFC, which is yung pinipicture natin for today.
Yes, actually, ang kagandahan naman dito, meron palang ganitong kainan dito sa San Agustin specifically.
And who would have thought, dito sa tagong lugar na to, may kainan naman. Anyway, dito magsisimula. It's, we are part of the history. Ayan, San Fernando Chicken, first time ever.
Siyempre, hindi na natin pang-huli yung tip. Tayo na rin yung unang titikim niya.
Yes, sir! Is our table. Again, thank you so much SFC and congratulations for opening your first branch ever.
Yeah.
And take a look at our table. Grabe, bro. This is the whole chicken.
Yes, this is the whole chicken. Ito yung kanilang dirty rice.
Dirty rice.
Siyempre, meron tayong kanilang spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Mashed potato, cream corn, and siyempre yung fries nila. Excited ako tikman to kasi parang ito yung upgraded Kanto style na fried chicken nila. Chicken skin. Sarap.
So, una natin gawin, tikman muna natin siya ng without any dip, without any sauce. So, let's combine yung meat and skin. Actually, in fairness, hindi siya yung talagang salty lang para may taste, no? Tulad ng mga kanto fried chicken natin. This one, medyo mild lang siya para sa akin. So siguro nga, magko-complement talaga siya if we're gonna add yung mga available dips natin dito or sauces. And let's put it on top. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Oh, wow. Parang times 10 yung flavor. Times 10 the flavor.
For our drinks naman, napaka-interesting na mga drinks nila. Kasi ito yung mga kakaibang drinks sa mga ganitong klaseng pagkainan. What we have here, so meron tayong cherry blossom, meron tayong peach pomegranate, and yung karing kaskara. To tell you something, yung kaskara daw, ito yung mga balat ng coffee. Pero, wala siyang caffeine. Let's taste it. Interesting. Actually, hindi siya mapait, hindi siya lasang coffee, pero meron siyang sour taste, which is I like.
Oh, that's big. May take dun sa kanilang spaghetti. Para siyang Filipino style, pero meron siyang upgrade ng mga herbs. Pero as soon as it enters your mouth, talagang napaka-aromatic ng kanyang amoy. Wow, herby. So much herb.
So,
Anyway, I like ako nagustuhan ko dito. Must try nga talaga. Aside from the chicken, of course, must try nila dito is yung spaghetti.
yes.
I just tried it, siguro mga 2 subo lang, pero kakaiba yung ano nila dito. It's not the usual spaghetti.
Ako naman since sa mga drinks ako naging interested kasi kakaiba naman sila. So ito yung mga personal choice ko. Maliban syempre sa
Of
chicken
course,
nila.
yeah. Most probably one of your choices sa mga takeouts, sa mga potluck kayo guys, check this out. Include it in your list. It's a must try, and at the same time, this is new. So congratulations again, SF.
So SFC is located dito sa may second floor ng Select Shell San Agustin, 6 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday.
Yun. So ayun guys, if you got interested with the food you saw in this video, again, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't take our words, experience it yourself.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next episode.